In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an administrator account in Windows 11. Before we get started, a quick but important reminder. You should never delete the only administrator account on your computer. You always want to have at least one admin account left so you can install software, change system settings, and manage other users. Also, make sure you're signed in with an administrator account that you plan to keep, not the one you're trying to remove. First, go ahead and sign in to Windows 11 using an admin account you want to keep. Once you're on the desktop, click the Start button, then select Settings. You can also press the Windows key +I on your keyboard to open settings directly, which is often a little faster. In the Settings window, look at the menu on the left and click on Accounts. This is where Windows groups everything related to user profiles, sign-in options, and family or other users on your device. On the right side, find and select the option called Family and Other Users. Or, in some versions, it may simply say, Other Users. Now you'll see a list of accounts that exist on this computer, including standard users and any additional administrator accounts. Carefully locate the administrator account you want to delete. Take a moment here and double-check you've selected the correct one, because once it's removed, the account's personal files stored on that profile can be lost if you choose that option. Click on the account name to expand the options, then click Remove. Windows will show a warning message explaining that deleting this account can also remove that user's desktop files, documents, pictures, and other data tied to their profile. Read this message carefully. If there's anything important in that account, cancel the process, sign into that account first, and back up any needed files to an external drive or another location. If you're sure you're ready, confirm by clicking Delete Account and Data. Windows will then remove that account from the system. This might take a few moments, especially if the account had a lot of files or apps associated with it. When the process finishes, you'll be brought back to the list of users, and you should see that the administrator account you selected is no longer there. At this point, you can close the Settings window. Your Windows 11 PC will continue to run normally, now without that extra administrator account.